Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aziza here, back in another video. So today we're going to be making tuna salad. First you're going to need red onion, some parsley, and some celery. Next you're going to need lemon juice. Next you need some mayonnaise. And then after that you're going to need salt and pepper for the seasoning. You're going to need a can of tuna, and lastly you're going to need some mustard. First we're going to need a can of tuna, this one, and this already has like the can opener, so we won't need like this thing. Now that we open the can of tuna, we're going to dump it in the bowl, because since it's oil, it's gonna spill if we put it slowly, so we're just gonna dump it. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. This is enough. Next, you're going to put 1 pinch of salt. You don't want that much, because since mayonnaise already has a lot of salt in it, so if you put 2 pinches of salt, it's going to be too salty. So you're just going to put 1 pinch of salt in there. And now you want to put 2 pinches of pepper for seasoning. And now you're going to put in lemon juice. But if you don't have lemon juice, you can use fresh lemon and squeeze it up. So we're going to put 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. But if you're more of a sour person, you can put 2. But me personally, I would just put 1. We're putting in lemon juice because it's going to take away the smell of the tuna fish, and it's going to give it more flavor. So it should be looking like this right now. Now we're going to put this aside so we can chop up our celery, red onion, and parsley. Now you're gonna want to dice up the celery. Make sure you put in lines, so it's actually those little dice things. Now you want to cut it up really small, just like that. Now that you're done dicing up the onions, you're going to put it inside the mixture. Next step is to dice up the parsley. Put it inside the mixture. This is how it's supposed to look like after putting in everything. Now you're going to mix all of this. Now that we're done mixing all of the tuna stuff and the other ingredients, we're going to put it on 1 slice of bread. Now that we're done making the tuna salad, you can put it on bread, toasted bread, lettuce wrap, or you can use it for sauce for chips. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You guys have to try it. I definitely recommend it to you. This is the best tuna salad I've ever had. So I really recommend you guys try this. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for any time we make a video. Bye!